Hi, I'm Dr. Rajni Patil from Ortho Sports Physiotherapy. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist practicing for 19 years. I want to talk to you about posture today because posture is one of those things that you don't necessarily think about on a daily basis, but it impacts our lives very much, and it's very important to pay attention to your postures as you go through the day. First thing that you do in the morning when you get up, you bend down to brush your teeth. Also, whether you are working, you are going to sit in front of your laptop for many hours together. Even then, your posture is going to be compromised most likely. If you are working at home, if you're a housewife, you're doing things at home, even there posture comes into play. The number one way that posture impacts us, and in this time it's very crucial for us to understand, is that it affects our breathing a lot. If your shoulders are hunched over and if your neck and shoulder are not in a good position, this doesn't allow our chest and our lungs to expand with air as much. So what you're doing essentially is shallow breathing, and this is not really good for our circulation, for our internal organs, for our muscles, for our joints. So you are basically giving your body compromised circulation, and this is, for the long term, it can be quite harmful to you. The second reason why posture is important is when you sit in a certain position. Say for example, you're sitting in front of the laptop and you're hunched over. Your chin is forward, your shoulders are rounded, your lower back is also rounded. Now when you sit like that for a number of hours together, and we all do it because it's very difficult for our muscles to hold ourselves up unless we are really paying attention and very aware of our posture. When we sit like that for a long periods of time, your muscles are over time going to get tight. So your neck muscles are going to get tight, your pectoral muscles are going to go in a shortened, contracted position, and then your back and your scapular muscles are going to get weaker over time. So after some time, when you want to straighten up, your body just doesn't have the capacity to straighten up as much. So it's important to work on postural muscles, but it's also important to be aware on a daily basis what kind of posture you are in. So sitting is when we most of the time go out of non-neutral postures. What I mean by non-neutral is that a neutral posture is where we keep our ear is aligned to the shoulder is aligned to the hip. If this is neutral, the minute that we sit, if we go away from neutral, you can see how suddenly my ears, all this alignment has changed. When we go out of this neutral position is when our joints and ligaments are under a lot of strain, and this push and pull can alone cause pain. People don't realize that posture can lead to pain, but it can also lead to injuries because you're working out in those postures, you're sitting for a long periods of time in that posture, you are working at home in a compromised postural position. So think about it when you're sitting, think about when you are standing. You hold your core in, keep your shoulders upright. This is good posture to be in. Keep your chin tucked in. In this posture, if you can stand and sit, then this helps you a great deal. Also think about sleeping posture. It's important that we don't sleep on the tummy. Try to sleep on your back, flat if possible. If you have any discomfort, then a couple of pillows under your knees also help. On your side is also fine, but you don't want to sleep on your tummy. So maybe driving a car, even there you tend to become flexed. So we don't want to become C-shaped is the posture that you don't want to have. You want to be as tall as possible. Think about squeezing your shoulder blades in the back. Think about keeping your core engaged. This helps posture to build over time, and just being aware and breathing deep in good posture goes a long way. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.